1 woman a week is murdered in Australia from domestic violence, and that statistic is just ridiculous. It's probably more. When our women die, there's no outcry, there's no marches, there's no gathering arms around Parliament. My name is Ashlee Donohue. I'm a proud Dunghutti woman born and raised in Kempsey on the mid-north coast of New South Wales.
My name is Bronwyn Penrith. My mob is Yuin on my grandfather's side and Wiradjuri on my mother's side. When we first met was when she came for a job at Mudgee. I was a coordinator at the Women's Centre at the time.
Had you not given me that job, I often think, would I still be here? I couldn't think of anyone else that I'd want beside me. I appreciate all that you've done for me over the years. You've taught me to get out of DV, to run an organisation. You've not only been a friend, you've been a mentor.
We build a friendship, as you've grown to adulthood, where we can just talk straight to each other.
The important thing is for women to know that they're not alone. I know myself, I carried shame for years, shame that I didn't own, because, I thought, oh my God, how could I let somebody treat me so badly? I thought, I can do something here. I can share my story, which is what I did. I wrote my book. My path is now going to be lit for others to come behind and walk.
It's incredibly important for us as Aboriginal people to help one another. My life is around what you can do for your community, what you can do for the next person.